Mental and physical symptoms of stress. All natural stress relief for the mental and physical symptoms of stress. Stress. What is stress?
Often both men and women are juggling multiple roles and responsibilities and trying not to drop the ball. All of life's demands, work and deadlines, bills and inflation, kids and marriage all require constant attention. Usually things stay in balance, but sometimes life throws an unexpected curveball and suddenly the balance is lost. Stress can affect anyone, and in small doses, it is not necessarily a bad thing. Average amounts of stress can keep you alert and ensure that tasks are completed and deadline met. Essentially, stress is life's little push that often helps us to cope. Alternatively, stress can sometimes become too much. When a person is pushed too far and can no longer keep up with the demands of life, it is clear that stress is a problem. This abundance of stress can affect both our psychological and physical well-being.
Diagnosing stress.
Stress is a very normal part of life, and in most cases it can be dealt with without the assistance of a healthcare practitioner. However, there is a difference between managing your stress and not managing your stress. When physical symptoms of stress levels rise and become too much to cope with, or it feels like you have reached the point of burnout, it may be time to seek professional help. If excessive stress starts to affect your psychological or physical health, it is also important to seek help. Since stress is extremely common, diagnosing the condition centers around whether the amount of stress experienced is affecting your ability to perform daily functions and activities as required. A psychologist or specialist will ask certain questions about how things are going in different areas of your life, about how you are fitting in different situations, as well as look at your work life and personal life, and determine if excessive stress is hindering the ability to function normally.
What causes stress?
Stress is caused by multiple factors that are unique and personal to each individual. Sometimes stress can be caused by external events such as family problems or work pressures. Other times, stress can be caused by internal factors such as negative thinking, unrealistic goals and personal choices. These life stressors are usually due to pressure and expectations from others and from ourselves, as well as from conflict and frustration. By pinpointing the root cause of our stress, it becomes easier to guard against it. While it is impossible to plan for everything and prevent all future stress, it is possible to minimize stress and learn to cope with it in a more productive way. The ways in which physical symptoms of stress are managed can also make the world of difference on how it impacts on both physical health and functioning.
Help for stress.
There are a number of ways to help cope with physical symptoms of stress in our daily lives. The first step in eliminating stress is to identify the root causes and determine what changes can be made. This is easier said than done. Sometimes a little bit of assistance is needed to help to figure out what those root causes are. Relaxation techniques.
Yoga, meditation, deep breathing and muscle relaxation techniques have all been shown to reduce stress and clear the mind of unwanted thoughts and concerns. Done regularly, these techniques can be very successful in helping with stress management. Psychotherapy or counseling.
In some more intense cases, an individual may feel totally overcome by stress and is left with a feeling of helplessness and defeat. In instances like this, it is sometimes necessary to seek professional help from a registered psychologist or counselor to help find the root cause of the stress and positive ways of dealing with it.
Natural herbal and homeopathic remedies. There are many natural herbal and homeopathic remedies that may be of assistance in providing all-natural stress relief if you feel your stress levels are too high. A holistic approach encourages all-natural stress relief by exploring physical and psychological effects of your stress and aims to treat the individual as a whole.
Some herbal remedies recommended for all-natural stress relief are Hypericum preferatum, St. John's wort, Passiflora incarnata, Scutellaria latrifolia, skullcap, and valerian. These herbal remedies all serve to relieve the anxiety and tension related to stress.
For more information on stress, please visit Native Remedies and learn more about what effect does stress have on my health, tips for coping with stress, and so much more. Visit Native Remedies today at http://www.herbalhealthguides.com/stress relief and learn about all natural stress relief for the mental and physical symptoms of stress. Article courtesy of Native Remedies. The natural choice. The statements regarding these products have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. The information on this website or in emails, videos is designed for educational purposes only. It is not intended to be a substitute for informed medical advice or care. You should not use this information to diagnose or treat any health problems or illnesses without consulting your pediatrician or family doctor. Please consult a doctor with any questions or concerns you might have regarding you or your child's condition.